Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is laggy after the updating iOS 16. So guys, if you are facing this problem, if your iPhone is lagging on the iOS 16, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. Let's start the video without wasting any time. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming. So first step is guys, make sure that you have updated all your apps on your iPhone. To make sure that, go to your app store, then click on user icon right here and make sure that you update all these apps. So if your apps are asking for updates, so make sure that you update all these apps here. So after doing this, the next step is manage your iPhone storage. So make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone, not full. So as you can see it here. So I have left a lot of storage, so make sure that you have a lot of storage in your iPhone. So the next step is guys, go to your iPhone setting and turn off the background app refresh. Click on general, click on background app refresh, click on it and simply click on turn off. So once you have turned this off, next step is enable reduce motion. To enable that, go to your iPhone setting, click on accessibility, and simply click on motion right here, then reduce motion, turn it off, turn it on, sorry. After this, close the setting. You will see that change on your iPhone. Also guys, make sure that you delete the apps that you don't use on your iPhone. So if you have any apps that you don't use, then simply you need to remove it from your iPhone. Then simply hold on to it and simply click on delete and delete the app. So after doing all these steps, it should work. Your iPhone should be faster, not laggy. So hope you like this video. If you do, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.